Well, recently the steering hadn't been working, right? And well, I thought the wires were bad, but I checked with the voltometer and they were still working. So I happened to open up the motor and get this up, and I kind of discovered why it wasn't working. First off, that rust hints you on something, and voila! Isn't that just nice? Now, it was barely turning at all, so I sprinkled a little tri-flow on it, and on that side, and in there, twisted a bit, and miraculously, you won't believe this, it works again. This thing is working. Oh man, Radio Shack does not die after all these months of rusting away. I'll get back to you when Okay, and now I'm also proceeding to fix the rear rudder. See what's wrong with it. Recently it's been working. Oh, no wonder. The motor's all frozen up. Ooh. And what else do we have here? This gear is twisted. Oh man, that motor really is frozen up. Oh god. I'll have to fix that. It's all freshly fixed up. Well, anyway, now the rudder works again. Watch. So yes, the rudder works now. And also, of course, the steering's fixed. I removed the tape there and I replaced it with a better antenna holder. And also, of course, the lights still work. And there we go. Aw, man. Well, it's been almost a year since this thing has been still working. Well, here's the final moments of that crappy Hummer. It's pretty much destroyed. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here's the new anorexic version of the RC toy Hummer trailer.